Jacob Howard was one of the town's most important businessmen, owner of its best hotel, a principal organizer of the Litchfield Woolen Mill, and a major stockholder in the Creamery Association. His grain elevator, built in 1872, was the first independent one on the St. Paul, Minneapolis, and Manitoba line. In 1884, Howard sold his elevator to the Cargill brothers of La Crosse, Wisconsin. It was one of that company's earliest business investments in the state of Minnesota. That same year, possibly using the profits from the elevator sale, Howard erected this impressive business block. The Minneapolis Tribune praised him for contributing to the present substantial appearance of Litchfield. In its earliest years, this was the home to the Benson General Store and the Golden Eagle Clothing Store, owned by Jacob Kahn, a Jewish wholesale merchant from Chicago, Illinois. Through much of its history, the northern half of the building was used as a furniture store. Typically, the proprietors also served as undertakers, providing the coffins and handling embalming. The wake and the visitation would typically be held at the home of the deceased. But traditions were changing. In 1917, Ole Landgren, who ran the furniture store, purchased the city's first automobile hearse, displacing the traditional horse-drawn carriage. The next owner, Dewey Johnson, saw the job evolve into a full-time profession with the new title funeral director. He added a morgue room to the back of this building, where mourners could now come to view the body and console the family. After Johnson sold the building in 1929, he stepped away from the retail furniture business and continued to direct a funeral home at a new location.